Welcome to Driving with Christian. I am Christian Evans. In today's video, I will be asking you, where do all the surge rides go? Thank you for clicking on today's video. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button in the bottom right hand corner. That way you'll be notified every time you upload a new video. And please subscribe to my blog, drivingwithchristian.com. Have you ever been sitting in the surge zone and you're sitting there and you don't get pinged for a ride, right? You're sitting there, maybe 5 minutes, 7 minutes, what may have you. So, it may start off as, bloodshot red, then it goes to, orange, then it goes to like a light orange or whatever. Then it disappears. But you haven't been hit or pinged anywhere else, right? But you're still there. Now, my question is, where do those rides go? Surge rides are the demand for a driver exceeds the amount of drivers that's on the road, right? So a lot of times, passengers, Uber passengers may not take the surge ride because, the price may be expensive, right? And so they will wait it out. And if you're in the area where the surge is at, and if somebody does not take the ride, let's say in those 5 minutes, and maybe in 10 minutes the surge goes away, so does the person not want the ride anymore? Do they not use Uber? Do they wait it out? Or do they just completely say, hey, you know what? I don't need a ride anymore, and, forget it. So who's getting that ride? That's my question. I started thinking about that. I was driving today and I was in a surge zone and I was sitting there and I got no pings and I'm sitting there and, I'm looking, I'm like, all right, whatever. And I got to thinking, I'm like, okay, so at one point in time, somebody, a group of people, 2, 3, 4, whatever, in that area may have been looking for an Uber ride, and the surge popped up. So the price may not have been what they wanted it to be, and they wanted to wait it out. And so I'm like, okay, they'll wait it out. I'm just trying to get my rides in for the day. But I still didn't get any pings in that particular area. So I've got to thinking, I'm like, okay, so they don't want an Uber ride anymore? There's just a question that I have. If you have more information on this, or if you have, add your 2 cents in on this, just let me know. I wanted to keep this video short and sweet. Just close it out like this. I want to thank you for taking time out to watch this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to my blog also, drivingwithchristian.com. Have fun, get your money. Peace out.